Hey, Soma, this is Pastor John. Over the last few weeks of the COVID-19 outbreak, we have been listening to the medical community and those in authority over us at the state level. Our desire is to care for our flock and our neighbors, both spiritually and physically. Now, different churches are making different decisions about whether or not to gather this Sunday or other Sundays, and as Christians, there's a lot that we have to consider. We don't need to overact in fear, panic, or aggression. We understand why people feel the way they do. Disease really has a way of taking away our sense of control. It reminds us of our mortality, but as Christians, we understand that control and immortality are just illusions. God alone is in control of all things. He is our good. Our days have been numbered by Him, and His plans will always be accomplished. We want that truth to shape our response to this virus and to those around us. And we don't need to be afraid and not needing to fear trouble. However, that isn't the same thing as not needing to prepare for trouble. We should not be passive or even dismissive about a global health issue and the reality of people's fears. But if things get worse and the numbers grow, possibly even in our area, we should be willing to do what we can to curb the spread of this outbreak. If we respond appropriately and wisely, we'll be loving to our neighbors as well. Based on the suggestions and guidelines of medical professionals, government leaders, and different voices in the larger Christian community, we have decided to take some precautionary measures. The concern is largely centered around our large group meeting on Sundays. And just to let you know, kind of not to bury the lead, we've decided to cancel our Sunday morning gatherings moving forward. Instead, we're asking each family to connect with us online on YouTube or on Facebook or even Instagram TV if you're comfortable there. This makes containment much more manageable and should allow us to safely reassess our situation on a week-by-week basis. Now, our hope is this. Jefferson City's numbers will dissipate quickly and we'll be able to safely regather again. We've been teaching for many years that Soma is the church, but it's not the building. It's the people. It's our family. It's a household. It's a body made up of many members, and it's the temple of His Holy Spirit made up of living stones. We've never really been about holding events or hosting services, but we try to live as a gospel community on mission, and we're trying not to stop that now. We need each other more now than ever. This season, I believe, is an opportunity to honor one another above ourselves and to promote unity within the church and among our church in our city. Now, some members will re-enter our society more slowly than others, but this is our best attempt to promote member health, honor local, state, and national guidelines, and maintain a regular life of the church. And we're closely watching our community's health protocols and really what's going on. Please know that all of this can change at the drop of a hat. But since we're moving online, we'll still stay a week behind as we've been doing for the last few weeks. You'll still be able to connect with us on platforms like Facebook, Instagram TV, and YouTube. And additionally, and guys, this is a side note, if you haven't, like and follow our pages. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, all of our social media channels, so you can get contact with us so we can continue to stay in contact with you, or even text this number below to get connected. But God so often in history has used crises to bring renewal and a revival and soften the heart of His church. He has drawn us towards His heart right now. Guys, I want to ask you, I'm going to beg you, let's trust Him. Let's draw near to Him. Let's reach out to others and our neighbors during this time. And let's show the world what the church really looks like. I love you each more than you'll ever know. I can't wait to talk to you again soon.